Hi, Assalamu alaikum and very good morning to everyone. The chapter name is The Holy Books. It's a social studies chapter number 1 for class 4. So in this class we will do the worksheet. What you have to do, you have to download the worksheet from the course material. Okay, once you downloaded it, then we will continue. So let's start. The first question is, what is the Arabic word for the God? So you have four options. It's Yahweh, Allah, Jesus and Quran. The right answer is the Allah. Question is, first man on earth was Adam, Isa or Dawood? So the right answer is the Adam. The third question is, Muslims believe in the dash and the dash. It's Torah, Moses, Quran and Muhammad, peace be upon him, Mandate and Confucius. So the correct answer is B, Quran and Muhammad. Third is, what is the name of the book of Islam? What is the name of the holy book of Islam? It's Bible, Torah or Quran? Yes, it's very much easy. It's a Quran. The fifth question, what is the Islamic house of praying called? The place we are praying, the Islamic house of praying is called as the mosque. It's not a church, it's not a temple, it's a mosque. Now the sixth one, giving things a life is only the power of Allah. No one else can do it. Okay. Who has the power to give the life? Jesus, Allah, Prophet Muhammad and Abraham. So Allah has the power to give the life. The seven. Quran contains the direct words of who? Jesus, Allah, Prophet Muhammad, peace be upon him and Abraham. The answer is B, the Allah. Number 8. Ummah is an Arabic for father, community or friend. So it's a community. Ummah is an Arabic for community. Now the ninth one. To be a part of the Muslim Ummah, to be the part of the Muslim community, you must do what? Keep a clean haircut, practice and preach the Muslim faith, not wear sandals. So the second one, practice and preach the Muslim faith. To be the part of the Muslim Ummah, you must practice and preach the Muslim faith. B is the correct answer. Starting the true false. Prophets are messengers of Allah. It's true. Prophets are the selected people of the Allah. We should always need guidelines to correct our behavior so goodness can prevail. Okay, the need of the improvement is always there and the improvement can make the things better. This is the explanation of this thing. Yes, improvement always makes the thing better. We always need guidelines. Guideline means to guide something or a thing which can give some guidance. So we should always need guidelines to correct our behavior so goodness can prevail. If we improve our behavior very good, so that we can get the goodness in return also. Muhammad, peace be upon him, went into the hills in a cave to pray and spoke to the God through an angel. The name of the angel, by the way, it's Jibrail. So it's true. It's 13th one, Sunnah refers to the actions and the words of the Prophet Muhammad, peace be upon him. Yes, it's true. Sunnah is refers to the action and the words of the Prophet Muhammad, peace be upon him. The 14th one is, Allah is the creator and the maker of everything. Yes, true. Every Muslim will say yes, always. Allah means the God because there is only one God in the Muslim's faith, which is also one of the pillars of Islam. There are 5 pillars of Islam and the first one is the Tawheed. And what does Tawheed means? Tawheed means you are accepting that the God is one. So Allah means the God because there is only one God in the Muslim's faith, which is also one of the pillar of the Islam. Yes, it's true. The answer for the 15 is now the 16th one. Prophet were the selected and chosen people of Allah. Exactly. It's absolutely true. And the 17th true false is prophets were different than the normal human beings. No, they are like normal human beings. They have families, they eat, they sleep, and they live life like a normal people. So it's a false. If you notice one thing, we started true false from 10 to 17. So from 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, all of them are true and the 17th one is a false. Okay, if you are done with the worksheet, so you can write your answers. Don't need to send the worksheet. I already told you the answers. What you have to do, you have to go to the assignment section and do the assignment. If you are done with the assignment, it's okay, but if you didn't done it, do the assignment as soon as possible. If you have any question, you can ask me in the mail or you can also ask in the live class. Hope you understand it. So that's all.